Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this awesome remote holder. Yes, this is completely utility stand. You can use this as a remote stand or pen stand or spoons and knife stand. So this is the multi-purpose utility product and this is quite hard and sturdy. This is made from the cardboard, and also I will show you how to do the beautiful paper quilling flower decoration. This is very sturdy and looks like a ready-made one. Isn't it looking very pretty? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking this old wedding invitation card which is having nice thick mount board inside this. So I'm taking this side for my base, and I have already created this template. I have given this template in description box, you can check there. I'm just tracing this template, and I have created this template on 13 by 20 centimeters paper. So putting it on the mount board and tracing it. Then I am cutting this design using scissors. And this is done. Then I'm taking here one paper strip and I'm going to cover the top edge using this brown color paper for the finishing. So this is done. In the same way I have prepared one more base of the same size for the front and back side panels. Now for the center part I am taking this mount board strip which is 7 by 20 centimeters, and I am going to stick it with both the panels. For this I am taking again brown color paper strip which is 20 centimeter long and 2 centimeter in width, and I'm just folding it into half, and using this strip I will connect the flaps. Similarly, I will attach the another part of the base. So this is attached and it will look like this. Now I am going to make the divisions. For this I am taking this 7 by 13 centimeter mount board piece. I have just covered the top portion using brown paper strip for the finishing, and exactly in the center I am going to stick this. So this will be our center partition, and first I am adding the glue on the edge from 3 sides. then sticking it exactly in the center. And to make it more sturdy and strong, we need to attach some strips from inside and outside. So here I am taking again brown color paper strip, and I will attach these connectors from all 4 sides. Similarly, I will add on remaining 3 sides. Then also I am going to add these 2 mount board pieces, which are 7 by 12 centimeters in size, and it will come on left and right sides for the another divisions of the box, like this. So doing the same process, and after attaching all 3 panels for the divisions, it will look like this. Now it's time to cover the box from both the ends. So I'm taking these mount board piece, which is 7 by 8 centimeters, and it will come like this. So to connect this, again I am adding glue on the edge, and using the brown color paper connectors I will secure it. Like this. Similarly, I will attach the another one on the right side. So this is done. Now it's time to decorate this. Here I am taking this beautiful pattern paper by Dress My Craft, and all the supply links are given in the description box. If you want to purchase anything, you can check the links. Similarly, I have decorated the inner part of the holder using some more pattern paper strips. So from all the sides we need to decorate this. I have kept the back side simple because I am going to do my quilling work on back side. So all the decoration part is done, and it's looking very nice and ready-made one, quite sturdy and strong. Now it's time to do the quilling work. So to prepare the quilling base, I am here taking one strip of jute cloth, and this is 20 by 6 centimeters, and I am just sticking it on the panel. Like this. Then here I am taking thick white color cotton thread and sticking 4 rows of the thread in the bottom and on the top. These are decoupage threads, but you can also use macrame thread or any kind of thick jute rope to decorate this. Since I wanted to make it little vintage, that's why I'm using jute and these kind of threads to decorate my base. I'm not using any kind of die cuts or any kind of border design. similarly attaching on the top portion. Then to start with my first quilling flower, here I am taking pink color 3mm strip. First I am making 4 loops in increasing order. Cutting the excess strip, secure the end. Similarly, I have prepared 3 more, so I am just joining 4 petals together. Then wrapping this whole petal using yellow color strip, and the petal is ready. Now I'm just joining total 6 petals together to make the flower. For the center of the flower, I am taking 2 strips of dark yellow color and making one tight coil, and then I will attach it on top of the flower. So flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more same flower. Now to create another flower, I am taking here bottle cap which is having 1 cm diameter and wrapping one strip of off-white color 3mm around this to make thick ring. Just add glue and pinch on both the sides to make the leaf ring. Then I am taking dark pink color strip, dividing it into half, taking another half portion, dividing it again into 1/4, then taking half strip, making one teardrop shape, and using the remaining 1/4 strips, I am making 2 small teardrops. Then joining all 3 petals together. And I am going to attach this bunch inside my leaf ring. If you find any glue marks, wipe it out immediately using wet brush. And the petal is ready. Similarly, I have prepared 8 petals more. So I'm just joining all 9 petals together and making the big flower. Allow it to dry. Then to create the center of the big flower, I am taking here half strip of dark yellow color and making one pointed teardrop shape. I am joining total 14 petals together and making one flower. In the center of this, I am adding big half cut pearl like this. Then both the flowers are dried, so I am just sticking one yellow color paper circle with the big flower base, so that if any part is visible from top, it should look like yellow one. And then I am adding small flower on top of this, and this is ready. Now to start with making the leaf, I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color and 1/4 strip of dark sap green color and making one leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared some more leaves and also prepared some scrolls using same colors. If you want to learn how to make these scrolls, I have given link in description box. You can check there. So scrolls and leaves are ready. Then taking back my base, I have decorated the top and bottom using brown color 3mm strip. And now it's time to decorate this with our handmade flower and leaves. Like this. And then just randomly I am adding some flower pearls here and there. These are the Nuvo drops. You can also use small half cut pearls to decorate like this. Just filling small gaps. And the beautiful remote holder is ready. Now I'm just putting my all remotes inside this. It will enhance the beauty of your drawing room, and also it's a very nice idea to put all remote controls inside one container. And you can also use this as a pen stand or cutlery stand. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.